Hi, are you waiting for something fancy and fruity after dinner? When you're having a sweet craving in the evening but want something light and refreshing, a bowl of mango sorbet is the perfect choice. This mango sorbet is a refreshing treat that will excite your taste buds. It is what summers are made of. Intense mango flavor, a touch of lime for acidity, and naturally sweetened with honey. Yes, this simple, easy, and quick recipe is truly incredible. And with just few ingredients, it's hard to go wrong with this sorbet. Hello foodies, welcome back to the Smoothies bar. My name is Ishwari and today I have a recipe so easy that you can memorize it. Naturally smooth and soft mango sorbet that is fun to eat. It's the perfect easy dessert for hot spring and summer days. I really cannot ask for any more. This recipe was crafted with so much love, keeping in mind how my family would love it. This recipe is gluten-free and dairy-free. It's a delicious alternative to ice creams and you can enjoy it guilt-free too. I have also thrown in some mint leaves for that contrasting flavor and that extra lingering coolness on the tongue. This mango sorbet is absolutely top-notch because I have used the king of mangoes, the Alfonso. Let me show you how it's done. We are making this creamy mango sorbet and all you're gonna need is 4 cups frozen mango, 1 pinch salt, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 1 cup coconut cream and half teaspoon vanilla. In a high-powered blender, combine all the ingredients. Summer is the mango season here in India and we are serious mango lovers. We stock up on all our favorite varieties of mangoes at home and fight over the last one. Now blend until they puree. When the ingredients are almost entirely smooth, you are ready to serve or freeze it. I'm going to freeze it for about 7 to 8 hours. Now because it is a little bit icy, I'm going to cut it into pieces and then blend it again for smoothness. You can serve it immediately or again freeze it for about an hour or two. Now look at this texture. A palate cleanser or refreshing dessert, this mango sorbet is always a hit. Enjoy the sorbet with coconut shavings on top. Garnish with mint. I cannot get my eyes off. It is looking so gorgeous. I can't wait to eat this now. I hope you love this mango sorbet because it's tangy, creamy, bright, fresh and full of mango flavor. Enjoy it! Thank you for watching this video. I would love to have you a member of my community, so please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my videos. In the description box, I have also mentioned all the links from my previous videos. See you soon. Eat clean.